Hey, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Tech Titan Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the cutting edge world of smartwatches, focusing on the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. This isn't just another timepiece, it's set to revolutionize the way we think about wearable technology. So, buckle up as we explore everything you need to know about this game changing device. In the realm of smartwatches, Garmin has always been a trailblazer, especially in outdoor and fitness tech. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is no exception. The Fenix 8 Pro is poised to set new standards in smartwatch innovation, functionality, and design. Garmin is also introducing two new stunning color options: slate gray steel and classic black, both paired with sophisticated black bands. These additions reflect Garmin's commitment to blending style with functionality, catering to both tech enthusiasts and fashion-conscious individuals. One of the standout features of the Fenix 8 Pro is its display. Rumors suggest it will feature an impressive AMOLED screen, renowned for its vibrant colors and exceptional contrast. This leap in display technology promises a user experience that's both immersive and intuitive. The watch will come equipped with advanced health monitoring features, including 24/7 heart rate monitoring. Keep track of your heart health with real-time data, advanced sleep tracking, gain insights into your sleep patterns and quality, blood oxygen saturation measurement, monitor your oxygen levels throughout the day, stress tracking. Stay informed about your stress levels and manage them effectively. Key performance metrics include VO2 max, tracking, measure your aerobic capacity and performance, recovery, time advice, understand how long you need to rest before your next workout, training load, focus. Track the intensity of your workouts to optimize training effectiveness. A standout feature of Garmin's Fenix series has always been its exceptional battery life, and the Fenix 8 Pro continues this trend. Expect robust battery performance that can last several days on a single charge, even with intensive use. As of now, we've received an intriguing leak from a major European retailer that suggests a potential release date for the Fenix 8 Pro in September 2024. Pricing details are yet to be confirmed, but we can expect it to align with Garmin's premium product range, reflecting the advanced features and technology packed into this smartwatch. The Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is more than just a smartwatch. It's a leap forward in wearable technology. With its blend of advanced health monitoring, personalized training features, and seamless digital integration, it's set to redefine what a smartwatch can be. Stay tuned as we continue to bring you the latest updates and insights into this groundbreaking device. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive into the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates on the latest tech innovations.